Hi, I'm Gary Scarja. I'm a Bioservices Program Manager at Starfish Medical. As part of the Bioservices team at Starfish, I lead product development programs for clients that are focused on enabling biological processes, such as innovative biomanufacturing equipment. Today I'd like to talk a little about manufacturing equipment innovation in the emerging cell and gene therapy sector and really highlight why this is so critical to the realization of these life-changing products. Over the last decade, cutting-edge cell and gene therapies have been developed to treat or even cure a range of debilitating conditions including cancer, neurodegenerative diseases, and infectious diseases. While the therapeutic potential for these products seem almost limitless, their adoption into global healthcare systems is severely restricted by high cost and limited availability. Why is this the case? Well, in my opinion, the simple answer is inefficient manufacturing systems. Current cell and gene therapy manufacturing processes are generally scaled-up versions of small-scale, complex, and highly manual laboratory processes, using essentially modified laboratory tools. This has created an urgent need for bioprocess technological innovation to alleviate the existing manufacturing bottlenecks. What does this mean? Companies are advancing innovative technologies in all areas of the cell and gene therapy manufacturing process, including bioreactor design, cell culture process analytics and control, and two areas that I've personally spent a significant portion of my career helping to pioneer: development of closed single-use equipment and efficient purification tools. For autologous cell products, such as the CAR T-cell therapies we all hear about in the news, the development of closed automated manufacturing systems are essential to reduce or eliminate manual interventions, which will improve product reliability and drive down cost. So, we can say that significant strides have been made to bring the first round of cell and gene therapy products to the market. However, the enormous potential of the coming wave of cell and gene therapies to transform healthcare can only be fully realized by accelerating innovation in bioprocess manufacturing technology, design, and development. If you're interested in learning more about this topic, check out my blog on the Starfish Medical website.